What is theism? Broadly construed, theism is the philosophical worldview that perceives the orders of existence, such as physical things, organisms, persons, as dependent for their being and continuance on one self-existent God, who alone is worthy of worship. In other words, theism is the philosophical view that all limited or finite things are dependent in some way on one supreme or ultimate reality. In Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, this ultimate reality is often called God. It is important to note that theists differ among themselves about the nature of God and the relation of God to these orders, but they close ranks against deists, who, in principle, exclude revelation and divine intervention in world order, and against pantheists, who identify God with these orders. Theists hold that God, transcendent creator of the orders, remains an indivisible unity, as he sustains them in accordance with their capacities and his ultimate purposes. In formulating their views, philosophical theists remind themselves of the many obstacles that impede the human search for the true, the good, the beautiful, and the holy. They distinguish between the ultimate mystery of being and mysteries that vanish as human understanding increases. Aware that the last word on the mystery of being is beyond their grasp, they pursue the best clues to the relation of the ultimate reality to themselves and the quality of their existence. In the history of theism and of monism, it is almost invariably claimed that immediate experiences of the divine are the most authentic, inspiring sources of truth about the ultimately real, and that these religious experiences take priority over claims based on rational, moral, and aesthetic experience. However, since religious experiments, including seasoned mystics, make conflicting claims about what is revealed, most philosophical theists will take into account the claims based on religious insight, but will not grant them arbitrary priority over other interpretations of experience. Broadly speaking, the drift in theistic thinking is toward improving insight into the nature of God and the attributes that are essential for conveying his transcendence and immanence.